गाइस, मैं हूँ नेहा और मैं हूँ एक ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर। मैं आती हूँ ऐसी ऑफबीट डेस्टिनेशंस में, कुछ पॉपुलर डेस्टिनेशंस में, और आपको ले चलूँगी अपने साथ इस जर्नी पे। तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, मुझे इंस्टा पे फॉलो करिए, girl_in_the_midst MIDST।
And without further ado, let's get into day 2 of Hartola.
We are here in Hartola today। और आज ये 2021 की फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग है एंड इट वाज स्पेक्टेक्युलर। आई विल शो यू द व्यूज़ इन अ लिटिल बिट। सो लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट हरतोला। दिल्ली से टोटल डिस्टेंस यहाँ का है 342 किलोमीटर्स। तो हरतोला एक्सेसिबल है बाय रोड, बाय ट्रेन आती है काठगोदाम रेलवे स्टेशन, जो अबाउट 72 किलोमीटर्स दूर है यहाँ से। वहाँ से आपको टैक्सी या बस मिल जाएगी।
As the winter wind whipped across my ears and past my cheeks, I began to wonder that words like beautiful or pretty just won't be enough to describe this glorious place. Views like this will be enough to stroke your flames, to be wanting to come here, I'm sure. Finding a place where you can actually sit through the warmth of the fireplace and take in such splendid scenery is just cherry on top. Let me give you a quick tour and show you why this is a perfect vacation home for you.
So guys, this is a place for the next 2 days. And the view from here.
This beautiful home is not just cozy but also came equipped with all basic and luxury amenities. A fully functional kitchen, hot and cold water, private terrace and a barbecue station, an indoor fireplace and a top quality telescope for the perfect star and moon gazing that we end up doing this night. This 2-bedroom cottage can accommodate anywhere up to 5 to 8 people or even more. If you want a sneak peek of the actual footage of the star and moon gazing, you can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is girl_in_the_midst to watch the unseen shots and footage. Since this is a town which is not as popular as Mukteshwar, you may not find a lot of accommodation options here. But the ones that are here will definitely blow your mind. And if you're still not impressed, you can go for a lot of hikes that starts from Hartola, and Mukteshwar temple is just an hour's drive away from here. So it's a win for all. With our eyes moist, we said our goodbyes to Hartola and promised that we will come back. I hope this episode gave you a look into a real hidden gem of Uttarakhand. Honestly, I'm not sure if the videos did justice to this precious town, so come and see for yourself. And with this, we end our journey to Hartola, and I already have an enchanted series coming up for you. Stay tuned and keep supporting your girl. Ciao!